4 things you should do before going to sleep every night. Number 1. Make wudu because the Prophet, peace be upon him, said that. Whoever makes wudu and goes to sleep, an angel will reside with him in his bed, and when he wakes up, the angel will ask Allah to forgive him. Number 2. Cup your hands, read the 3 Quls and Ayatul Kursi, and blow a dry spit into your hands 3 times, and wipe over your body starting from the back down to your feet, as this was a sunnah and is a means of protection during the night. Number 3. Dust your bed 3 times as this was done by the Prophet, peace be upon him. You can just dust it with your hands or with a cloth. And lastly, number 4. Remove all hatred in your heart for anyone, as one of the companions was promised Jannah, because every night before bed, he would remove any ill feelings he had in his heart for others. Make this a habit and share this video so others can benefit as well. This is the end of this episode. Subscribe for more content.